guys, good afternoon. This is my report. Activity 4, tangent or secant. Number 1, which lines are tangent to the circle Y? Line segment SL and line segment RL is a tangent line because they are touching the curve of the circumference of the circle at only one point.
Sige.
Number 2. Which lines are secant? Y. Line segment NP and line segment PM is a secant line because they touching the circumference of the circle at only 2 points.
Go.
Number 3. At what point does its secant intersect the circle? Suppose that line segment NP and line segment PM is a secant line. If we continue these two lines, they will be
Intersected.
intersect,
Yan siya, ano.
and that is point O. Number 4. Which angles are formed by two secant lines, two tangent, and a secant? Angle formed by two secants, suppose that NP and line segment NPM is secant line. So angle KOM is a secant angle formed. And two tangent, suppose SL and line segment RL is tangent line. So angle SLR is a tangent angle. A tangent and a secant. Line angle NPL is a secant and tangent line. Angle. And angle PML is a secant tangent angle.
Oh.
Number 5. Name all the intersected arcs in the figure. Which angles intersect each of these arcs? Angle SKN, whose intersect the arc NK.
Okay.
And angle KOM, whose intersect the arc KM and arc MP. And
Sige, diha.
angle PMR, whose intercept arc PM, and angle PMR intersect the arc PNM or PKM, and angle SLM intersect the arc KNM or KTM, and angle NPL intersect the arc NMK or NPK,
Okay.
and that's all. And angle KQM intersect the arc KM. Number 6. Suppose measure angle KOM is equal to 50 and measure angle KQM is equal to 130. What is measure angle KLM is equal to? How about measure of arc NP? Suppose measure angle KQM is equal to 50, then equal to something.
Go.
Measure angle KOM is equal 1/2 times parenthesis measure arc KM minus measure arc NP. Suppose angle KOM is equal to 50, then equals 1/2, then
Value.
measure RKM is equal to 130 because KQM is an central angle. Then according to the theory, the arc of if the central angle is the same measurement of his intersected arcs. So the angle of, suppose angle KQM is 130, then RKM is 132. Then minus measure angle and measure arc and P. Then distribute.
Property. Use the distributive property.
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 Then 1/2 times 130 is equal to 65. Then 1/2 times negative measure arc F is equal to negative 1/2 measure arc NP.
Transpose.
Then
Transpose.
transpose 50 minus 65 because 65 is a positive when we transpose they become negative.
Okay.
Equal to negative 1/2 measure arc NP. Then 50 minus 65 is equal to negative 15 equal to negative 1/2 measure arc NP. Then multiply both sides by negative 2. Then negative 2 times negative 15 is equal to 30 equal negative 1/2 times negative 2 is equal to 2/2 times measure arc NP. Then 30 is equal to, suppose 1, so 30 is equal to, or measure arc NP is equal to 30.
Oh.
So measure arc KLM is equal to 1/2 times parenthesis measure arc KNM or KPM minus measure arc KM equals
Sina. Sagdina.
suppose K angle KQM is 130, then this angle KQM is an
Describe angle.
central angle, then this arc intercept is equal to the center of this arc. So KM is 130, then suppose the whole circle is
360.
equal to 360, so 360 minus 130 is equal to 230. So suppose KNN is equal to 230 minus KM is equal to 130. So equal 1/2 times 100. 1/2 times 100 is equal to 50. So measure angle KLM is equal to 50.
Save na.